Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty pink eye makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion to prime my face. I'm using this Oriflame The One Everlasting Foundation in the shade Caramel for my face. Using this Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight my face. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Clay 2 to set my highlights. I'm using this benign banana powder to bake. Next, I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Clay 5 to contour. I'm using this Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown for my brows. I'm using this Nuban Beauty Obsession eyeshadow palette for my face, for my eyes, and I'm using this shade first. This shade called Delta for my crease first. I'm adding this shade Zara for my crease too. I'm using this shade called PH for my lid. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this pink eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics for my waterline. I'm using the first shade Delta that I use for my crease for my lower lash line. Now I'm adding Zara to the second shade I use for my crease. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter in the shade Moonlight to highlight my face. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup, and I'm using this shade right here. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus Spray to set my makeup. I'm using these two Lipstain from Zekel Cosmetics. This one is called Don't Tell,